Welcome, friends, to Only for Seniors. I'm Dr. Eric John, a physician here in the United States who specializes in senior health, especially for men and women over the age of 60. Every week, we bring you practical, science-based, and natural strategies to help you live longer, healthier, and more fulfilling lives. And today, gentlemen, we're going to talk about a subject that's close to the heart of many men over 60, restoring energy, vitality, and yes, bringing back that spark of youth. Some call it morning wood, others call it a natural sign of manhood. But more importantly, it's a signal of healthy circulation, strong hormone balance, and overall vitality. Now, here's the exciting part. Sometimes, the solution to big problems can be surprisingly simple. And today we're going to look at one of those solutions, a single tablespoon of a certain oil before bed that can work wonders for your energy, your hormones, and even your confidence as a man. So grab your tea, coffee, or glass of water, and stay with me until the end of this video. Because by the time we're done, you'll know exactly what oil to take, how it works, the science behind it, and how you can safely add it to your nightly routine to restore energy and vitality after 60. Why energy and vitality decline after 60? Before we talk about the oil, let's first understand why so many men over 60 struggle with fatigue, low energy, and weaker erections. There are three main reasons. 1. Lower testosterone levels. Testosterone naturally declines by about 1% every year after the age of 30. By the time a man reaches 60, his testosterone levels may be 30 to 40% lower than they were in his youth. This drop affects energy, muscle strength, mood, and of course, sexual function. 2. Reduced blood circulation. Strong circulation is vital for overall health, and it's absolutely essential for achieving and maintaining erections. But with age, blood vessels can stiffen, cholesterol can build up, and nitric oxide production slows down. That means blood doesn't flow as easily, which can make morning erections less frequent. 3. Lifestyle and sleep. Poor sleep, stress, lack of exercise, and unhealthy eating patterns can all compound the problem. Many seniors are unknowingly sabotaging their vitality by not giving their body the right nutrients and rest it needs. So the big question becomes, how do we fight back naturally? That's where this oil comes in. The science of oils for men's health. When we think of oils, many people imagine something unhealthy, fried food or heavy fats. But not all oils are created equal. In fact, some oils are loaded with nutrients that are incredibly powerful for men's health. The right oils can boost testosterone production, improve circulation by keeping blood vessels flexible, support the heart and brain, promote deeper sleep, help balance hormones naturally. And when taken at the right time, before bed, they can actually assist the body in restoring itself overnight, making mornings more energized. The star oil before bed. So, what is the oil I recommend? The number one oil for seniors over 60 looking to restore energy and vitality is extra virgin olive oil. Yes, you heard that right. This golden oil that's been a staple of Mediterranean diets for centuries is one of the best natural tools we have for senior men's health. Why olive oil? Let me break it down. 1. Testosterone boosting power. Studies have shown that men who consume olive oil regularly have higher testosterone levels compared to men who consume other types of fats. That's because olive oil is rich in healthy monounsaturated fats that provide the raw material your body needs to make testosterone. 2. Improves blood flow. Olive oil is loaded with antioxidants, particularly polyphenol. These compounds help reduce inflammation and improve nitric oxide levels. Nitric oxide is the key molecule that relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation, exactly what you need for restoring strong, healthy erections. 3. Heart and brain protection. At 60 and beyond, protecting the heart and mind is critical. Olive oil supports both by reducing cholesterol buildup, lowering blood pressure, and feeding the brain with healthy fats that keep it sharp. 4. Works while you sleep. When taken before bed, olive oil supports overnight repair processes. It stabilizes blood sugar, calms inflammation, and fuels hormone production, all while you're resting. How to take it? Here's the simple recipe. Take 1 tablespoon of high-quality extra virgin olive oil about 30 minutes before bed. You can take it straight, or if you prefer, mix it into a small glass of warm water with a squeeze of lemon. Consistency is key, make this a nightly ritual. Other oils worth considering. Now, while olive oil is my top recommendation, there are other oils that can also work wonders for men over 60. 1. Flaxseed oil. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, flaxseed oil helps reduce inflammation, support heart health, and may improve blood flow. 2. Pumpkin seed oil. This one is a secret weapon for men. It supports prostate health, improves urinary flow, and has been linked to better sexual performance. 3. Coconut oil. Coconut oil provides quick energy, supports hormone balance, and may help with fat metabolism, which is important for weight management. But if you're going to choose just one oil, make it extra virgin olive oil. Lifestyle habits to maximize results. Of course, 1 tablespoon of oil won't fix everything if the rest of your lifestyle is working against you. Here are some supporting tips. Exercise daily. Even light walking helps boost circulation and testosterone. Get quality sleep, 7 to 8 hours every night. Sleep is when testosterone is produced. Eat whole foods, focus on vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Stay hydrated. Dehydration reduces energy and circulation. Manage stress. Stress raises cortisol, which lowers testosterone. Combine these habits with your nightly tablespoon of olive oil, and you'll be giving your body the best possible chance to restore energy and vitality naturally. Gentle reminder. Now, I always want to remind you, if you're dealing with persistent fatigue, circulation issues, or erectile dysfunction, make sure to talk to your doctor. Sometimes, these can be signs of underlying conditions like diabetes or heart disease. Natural remedies are powerful, but they work best when combined with proper medical guidance. Closing message. So, gentlemen, here's the takeaway. Sometimes, health solutions don't come in a pill or a complicated treatment. Sometimes, it's as simple as adding a tablespoon of a natural oil before bed. For men over 60, extra virgin olive oil is one of the most powerful, affordable, and easy ways to restore energy, circulation, and vitality. Try it tonight, stay consistent, and notice the difference over the coming weeks. This is Dr. Eric John, and I want to thank you for joining me here on Only for Seniors. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, share this with a friend who might need it, and don't forget to subscribe for more senior-focused health tips. Until next time, stay strong, stay healthy, and remember, your best years can still be ahead of you.